Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can switch to 12-hour format for your events and calendars on OneCalendar. So let us begin. So guys, let's assume for instance you're in the US or outside of Europe and you prefer using the 12-hour format or vice versa. This is how you can switch between both calendar formats. So here on OneCalendar, click into settings. Make sure that you're logged in with your account, of course. Next, click into options. And after that, navigate to this option here at the top. And then just below the start time of the day, you will see the time format. So you may switch to AM, PM. And now if I, for instance, click into any of these events here, you will see that if I, for instance, remove the entire day event, and set a start time for the given day, you will see that there will be an AM PM time format, right? So you can choose your time of the day here and click into OK and save the event appointment settings. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.